Okay, so today we are going to be opening a mystery box of baseball cards.
What brand is the mystery box?
It has mystery packs in it.
Yeah, but who makes it? Is it?
Championship collection.
Okay.
You should say where you purchased
Let's
it.
save the special card for last. And now let's get into the pack. So we have 2017 holiday box pack. Hobby
Nice.
box. 2017 Series 1.
So they're TOPPS cards.
Yeah, TOPPS. 2014 opening day. Could get a Mookie Betts rookie in there. And then we have haven't seen this brand before. And we have another one of those ones. So, get into it. Let's start off with these ones. Okay, so Matt Wieters, Robinson Cano, Kevin Yukos, Josh Johnson, some random card, and we got Derek Jeter stickers, and another sticker. Here's a look at some of the cards, what they look like. Just like their faces in like a cartoon. Let's get into the next pack of triple play. So it's around like the same design. Got a Brian Wilson, Jones, can't read cursive, Franco Lariano, Matt Kemp, no name on that, and a Buster Posey, and it's around the same design as you can see. Okay, now we'll get into 2017 Series 1 TOPPS. We got Willie Peralta, Kevin Gooseman, Wilmer Flores, Michael Wacha, Jose Batista. We got a then and now Chris Bryan. There's like some sort of autograph thing there.
State.
So we have Chris Bryan. Looks to be like a then and now card with an autograph on it. And we have another Chris Bryan card. Jeremy Elixon. My Miami Marlins team card. Rick Porcello. Brandon Belt. And Troy Tulowitzki. So this is what some of the cards look like. Okay. Now let's get into the 2017 holiday box TOPPS. We We got right off the bat, an Aaron Judge rookie card. That looks to be good. And as you can see, it has a little snowflake design on it for Christmas in the holiday season. Travis Shaw. Don't know how to pronounce that, but here's a look at it. Julio Urias. Yonder Alonso. Lucas Giolito. Rugendor. Odor. Matt Carpenter. Sonny Gray. Corey Kleber. So here's a look at the cards. Now let's get into opening day 2014. Matt Harvey. This Champman. Julio Theron. Billy the Marlin mascot card. And we have Jimmy Rollins, Carl Crawford, and Ryan Braun. Okay, so that was it for this video. We got some pretty good cards. The Aaron Judge rookie was probably the best hit. Oh, shoot. I forgot. The hit. We got this. It looks to be like an Aaron's Judge. Is this like a double-sided card or something? We got a Cody Bellinger, Los Angeles Dodgers card. Right there, and Aaron Judge, 4,220 of 5,000. Right there. So, that was it for this video, and we have an upcoming video on a holiday box right here that we're going to upload in a couple of days. And so, see ya!